Hi everyone. Today I'm going to conduct a presentation on my research topic, that is the integration of solar photovoltaic and battery energy storage systems in power distribution networks. Nowadays, the conventional power distribution networks uses fossil fuels like coal, petrol and diesel to generate power in these power distribution networks. But in this system, I'm using solar PVs and battery energy storage systems to generate power from these power distribution networks. There are several benefits of this integration. Firstly, the power outages reduces. That is, the power losses that occurs in this power distribution networks reduces. Second, it's a stable and reliable output. The output that we get from this particular integration is even more stable, and there are low fluctuations. This is an optimized and efficient method of operation. Due to the above reasons mentioned, this is an efficient method and is optimal. There are several concerns regarding this integration. Firstly, solar energy, as you know, is not a reliable source. So there are irregular solar radiation levels. There can be sunny days and cloudy days. So as you can see, the amount of radiation actually fluctuates. This can actually cause a fluctuation in the resulting output of the system. So the second point is that there are negative effects on ecosystem. The solar PVs can actually cause visual intrusion on aesthetics. This is a concern regarding solar PVs. There are large amounts of PV wasted. This is mainly due to the inefficiency of the battery energy storage system. Then the economic viability of energy storage systems. Some of the energy storage systems are usually have high capital cost. This can lead to issues in economic feasibility. There are different types of energy storage systems that are available in the market. Some of them are pumped hydroelectric energy storage, lead acid, lithium ion, Zebra, flywheel energy storage systems, and zinc bromide. On conducting research, I actually found that flywheel and Zebra battery energy storage systems were the most practical and efficient the storage system that could be used in power distribution systems along with solar PVs. So my research question is mainly based on these two types of energy storage systems, and it is what is the most efficient type of battery energy storage system. In order to find an answer to this particular issue, I listed out the characteristics of the energy storage systems. Now, from this figure, you can see that it's a graph on efficiency versus durability of the different energy storage systems. Here, there are over 16 energy storage systems that are highlighted over here. Now, since I'm going to do a research on flywheel and Zebra battery energy storage systems, I'll be looking into that. Now, from this graph, it is evident that flywheels has a high durability as well as efficiency, and the Zebra battery energy storage systems are also having a high efficiency, which is almost as similar to the flywheel energy storage systems. Similarly, I studied the different properties of energy storage systems. Now, the energy and power rating. Zebra battery energy storage systems usually have a lesser power rating compared to flywheel energy storage systems. This is because, Zebra cells, if they are connected in series, they can be used to produce large amounts of power. Now, the reliability. Reliability of an energy storage system is actually a measure of how long an energy storage system is reliable to work in its to fulfill its purpose in a specific period of time. And the availability of the energy storage system actually tells us how long the energy storage system is in its working condition. The difference between these two properties is that the reliability actually takes in the amount of time required for maintenance, while which is not actually that is done in availability, and unlike reliability. The storage capacity actually is a measure of how much amount of energy can be stored in the different types of energy storage systems. In my research design, I have done a correlation research. This is mainly the two different battery energy storage systems, that is the flywheel and the Zebra battery energy storage system, is connected to a solar PV, and this combination is used to supply power to a small system. Then samples of efficiency and power output in kilowatt hours is taken over a brief amount of time at different weather conditions. This since here the weather conditions can be like it can be a sunny day or it can be rainy days, and so this is taken over a brief amount of time. After getting the data from this, a graphical analysis is done, and then conclusions are drawn. The main advantages of this design is that it's a relatively simple process, and the amount of complexity in this process are actually low. Since this is taken over a brief amount of time, the results are accurate and it's reliable. The main disadvantages of this particular design is that it does not consider power outages. That is the power losses that can occur in this power distribution system. Then the second thing is that the environmental effects are not considered in this particular design. The solar PVs can have negative effects on ecosystem, like it can negatively impact the environment by causing unwanted changes in the environment. So these considerations have to be this particular effect is not taken into consideration while designing the system. So this is my research design. Thank you.